Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Minikube on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. If you haven't installed Ubuntu 22.04, then go through this link and install on VirtualBox. Open Firefox. First, in this video we will install kubectl, then we will install Minikube. Kubectl allows us to run commands against Kubernetes clusters. We can use it to deploy applications, inspect and manage cluster resources and view the logs. And Minikube, it is an open source tool that allows us to set up a single node cluster on our local machine to learn and deploy for Kubernetes. First, we are going to install kubectl. Go to kubernetes.io. Then click on documentation, then click on tasks, then click on install tools, click on install kubectl on Linux. Before going to perform these steps, open terminal. Then first step is we have to update the, let me change the font size. First command is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Then give -y flag. Whatever the commands I am executing in this video are available in the video description. Then we have to upgrade. Sudo apt get upgrade -i. See, I have just updated and upgraded. But in your case, it's not upgraded. This may take time. For me, it will take less time because I have already updated. Okay. Now, next we have to install the required packages. One is curl. Sudo apt get install curl. Then next, then we have to add sudo apt get apt transport https. We missed out the install option. Next we have to install this container or virtual machine such as Docker or QEMU, HyperKit, Hyper-V, KVM, Parallels, Podman, VirtualBox or VMware Fusion or Workstation. So I'm going to install VirtualBox. You can install Docker as well. So let's install VirtualBox on Linux, on Ubuntu. Command is sudo apt get install VirtualBox, then VirtualBox extension pack. Y for confirmation. This may take time. I am pausing this video until this step completes. Then click on OK. Use tab and press enter. Again use tab and select S or use left and right arrows from your keyboard. Then select S and press enter. So we have successfully installed VirtualBox and VirtualBox extension pack. You can verify from the show applications as well. Just type virtual. See, VirtualBox has been installed. Click on it. This is the VirtualBox manager. Now we are going to install kubectl. This is the link. Kubernetes, IO, then documentation, then tasks, then install tools, then install and set up kubectl and Linux. We are going to install by using binaries. First step is we have to download the latest release by using this call command. Copy this one, paste here. Next, we have to validate the binary. Just copy this checksum file and paste here. Okay. Now validate. Copy this echo command. If it is okay, then it is success. Then validation is success. See, kubectl okay. If failed, if the check fails, you will get this error like kubectl failed. So we got this error, which means it is success. It means validation is success. Now we have to install kubectl by running this command sudo this one. Copy this one and paste here. It is success. Now verify. We can use this command or this YAML output. See, we have installed major version is 1 and minor is 2.5 and git version and git commit. Okay, this is in JSON format. We can get in YAML format by copying this command and pasting here. See, now it is clear. Okay, this is major and minor version. Now next we have to install this Minikube. Just click on install Minikube. See, these are the pre-requirements. The last one, container or virtual machine manager, I have already shown you how to install VirtualBox. You can install Docker also by going to this video. I will keep both the links. Okay, how to install VirtualBox on Ubuntu and how to install Docker on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. First one is 2 CPU cores. Let's verify. Just type nproc. So which means 2 CPU cores. Next one is memory. I have the 20 gigabytes RAM. We can verify by running df-h. Total out of 39, 14 is used and 23 gigabytes available. But our requirement is only 20 of free disk space. Next one is internet connection. I have internet connection. Just ping google.com. See, we are able to ping. Even you can open new tab and let's verify. We are able to connect to Google website. So prerequisites are done. Next one is installation. First we have to select operating system. Out of these three, we are going to install Linux and architecture x86 and 64. Release type stable or beta. So we are going with the stable version. Here we have three types of installers. One is binary download, Debian package and RPM package. I am going with binary download. You can select any one of them. If you select Debian, see, commands got changed. If you select RPM, see, again commands got changed. So you can choose any of them. All three are fine. I am going with binary download. Just copy this command and paste here. Wait until this download completes. Its total size is 73 megabytes. This take time based on your internet speed. It has successfully downloaded. Now install the Minikube. Sudo install, then paste the command. See, this command is nothing, just it is going to run this Minikube Linux and in this location. Press enter. It is success. Now verify the version. Minikube version. See, we have installed Minikube version 1.28. This is the latest stable Minikube version. Now start the Minikube with the driver VirtualBox. Minikube start ---- driver equals to VirtualBox. All should be small. Wait until this process completes. Without driver also we can start. If driver equals to Docker, then just we have to replace with VirtualBox. We have to replace VirtualBox with Docker. It takes time based on internet speed. Verify the Minikube status. See, it has type is control pane, host is running and kubelet is also running, API server is running and kube config also configured. And verify the list of the nodes available. kubectl get nodes. See, there is one node that's Minikube. That name is Minikube and its status is ready. Roles are control, plain, age means uptime. This is the uptime. This is the version, number details. If you run same command again, see the age changes. See, once we started, then we are going to deploy the applications. See here we have service, load balancer and ingress. We will discuss in the upcoming videos about all these three. First create sample deployment. Copy this one, clear screen. See, it has created successfully. Now expose with the port 80. It has been exposed. Now verify. See, new application is there. That is hello Minikube. Type is node port and this is the cluster IP. External IP we haven't defined and this is the port information. It says is 12 seconds. Now we can access this service by running this Minikube service. It will give the link. This is the link or try this one. To get the list of the parts, just run the kubectl get part. If you want to go with SSH Minikube, then SSH. See, we are in SSH Minikube console. This is the present working directory and there are no files in this one. So in this video we have seen how to install kubectl and Minikube on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. For more Kubernetes and DevOps videos, please subscribe my channel.